Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Discord in your web browser. So first of all, simply open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for discord.com. Now over here, when you are on Discord, you just have to scroll down and look for the option that says open Discord in your browser. So after clicking on it, you just have to simply enter your display name and then simply hit enter. This way you will be landed on the login page. You can also directly click on the option of login if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, then you need to create one. So over here, simply provide your email address or phone number and the password associated with your Discord account. Then click on the option of login. Now, if Discord asks for additional verification steps, you just have to complete the requested security or the authentication check. And when you sign in, Discord is going to basically open directly in your web browser, where you can basically access your servers, direct messages, your friends, voice channels, and other features. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.